Hello guys, today we are going to learn the ls command and all the options of ls command and attributes of ls command, the single attribute and the combined attribute also. Let's get into the video. We have we go and open our Kali password and we have to open our terminal first. First of all, I open my terminal and zoom. So first, what is ls command? Ls command is for a list. The ls is a short form of the list. This command is used to see our list, our the list of our directories. Like here, I am at home page and I don't know which types of list or directories are in home tab. If I type here ls and hit enter, it will show us all these directories, whatever we have in our home tab. This is ls command. Now we are going to see the attributes of ls command. First, we type ls and hyphen a. If we type hyphen a, the a is for all. It will show us or the list all the files including the hidden files. The main benefit of this is it will show us all the hidden files. If we hit enter, it will show us these files after the dots like bash logout. These all files are the hidden files like bash layout and bash hrc and the bash dot original. After the dot, these all files are the hidden files which we cannot see by only the ls commands, by our ls commands. Our next command is ls hyphen l. The L is for long. It will list all the attributes of all files in the current directory. First of all, it will show us or it will show all the attributes of file in our current directory. If we hit enter, it will show us all the files in our current directory, and it is also show us the here is the total 40 files in this directory, and the name and the owner name, username, group, it will show us all that. After that, we go to ls-t. ls-t is time of last modification. It means whatever we last modified, it will show us that file. The -t option present the file in the order of their modification time. The last modified placed first. Whatever we modified last, it will show us first. If we hit enter, it will show us. First of all, we have it will show us the modification. This file is uh, last modified, and it will show us first, because the rule of -t is the whatever we modified last, it will show us on first, and the videos is modified at the first, that's why it is on last. After that, we see the ls hyphen r. The hyphen r is for the reverse. The hyphen r option reverse order the presentation, means it will reverse the order. Uh, Here the video is last and the picture is first. After that command, it shows our pictures, or if we type only r, it will show us the reverse. See here, the videos is first and it shows last, and the Danish is first, it show us the last, it shows on last. After that, we go on the combined options like ls hyphen capital S and R. It will show us the size of that file, and also it will reverse it like that. Here the flag.txt is having the greater size, and the Danish is the lesser size, and it will reverse all these directories. And if we type ls hyphen capital S hyphen capital S and enter, it will show us the largest size of the file first, and the shortest size of the file is last. After that, there are so many options in the ls command. If we want to see all the options, if we want to see all the options of the ls command, we can. We want to simply type ls hyphen hyphen help. It will show us all the it will show us all these options of that file of the ls command. It will show us here. Like here, hyphen small a is for all. We see these commands. If you tell me, we will make the second part and we cover all these options in second video, in a second part. If you will tell me to make the second part of these commands, we will make it. If you want to take a screenshot of that, you can take the screenshot of this all the options, or you have, or simply type the ls hyphen, simply type ls hyphen hyphen help. You can also see all these commands, all these arguments of the ls command. This is enough for this video. Thank you for watching.